Good evening, all of you. Can I say good evening on the chat screen, please? Good evening. How was your day? How did you spend your day today? Trust I'm audible. Am I audible to all of you? Good evening. Good evening, students. Karthik, am I audible?
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay. Good evening, all of you. Trust all of you are enthusiastic. Can I see a thumbs up? Good evening. Very good. Good. So, in today's session, see, when it comes to the cyber security, I am also a cyber security consultant for organizations, and I was also doing investigations along with the police commissioner's office. So during our investigations, during the cyber crime or cyber issues investigations, we used to compare the pictures and footprints of so many things, the fingerprints to several things, the screen, whether the screen matches with what we are expecting, or is it, how is it different from the expected screen output, what was the output when, before the stealing of the data, or before stealing of something, before the hack, before the, how was it, and after the hack, what is the current status, all several comparing the images will happen. We used to do that. So all of you would have seen in what is it, in newspapers and children magazines, compare to, you will be asked to compare two pictures or find the differences between the two pictures. So these exercises help the children concentrate on a difficult part of, or difference part, the focus, it also gets the children some focus into the work they are doing. Why should you focus on something? Why is that focus required? Because unless you are focused, you will not be able to find out the actual solution. For finding a solution, you need to be completely focused on the systems. During the course of our sessions, I will also share my experiences on the cyber investigations which I did, maybe in the later part of our classes, maybe after some sessions. So one activity which we used to do was comparing the previous status, exactly the logs and the screens of the server with the one which is available now after the hacking, or after the after the information is stolen, after the crime has been done. So comparing the images, focusing on the images, what is the difference between the two, how is it different from the two. And when it comes to the criminal cases, you need to be very careful on finding the criminal path also. We will do a simple exercise, we will take some simple exercises, we will find the differences which one or two you did yesterday in the poll. Today we will do in detail on how to make differences, how to find the differences. Sharing the screen. I'm Dr. Subhashri doing the 7th session for you today. Logical reasoning, differences in the images. I told you where we will need to be focused and why we need to find the difference. Why this identifying the images help you in setting your career. I have taken this from a children's magazine. You need to find 8 differences between the two pictures. You will keep typing on the chat box. I'll give you 3 minutes for this. Fine. To find 8 differences. Concentrate, see the two pictures, identify 8 differences. You can start typing on the chat, no? Please start typing on the chat. Arun, you want to say what is the difference? Arun? If yes, type yes. Birds, fruits on the tree, money, correct, lid, the crows here, the fruits, the pen here. There is a pen here, there is no pen here. This guy's mouth, this guy doesn't have the mouth. So the money is here, the money is not there. Somebody has already told. All of you could guess. Very good, excellent. Let us see the second one. Let us see the second one. This is very important, though it looks very basic, but this is very important when it comes to chimney. Correct, you have identified that right. Leaf count, yes. Backside of the person, pen, yes, exactly, very good. Very good. This is what he says, something at the back. Very good. So now we will move on to the next. I'll give you again 3 minutes. How to find a dog? There is a dog and a cat which is hiding in this picture. You have to find where. You can tell me row 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You can tell me something like that. There's one cat hiding and one dog hiding in this picture. You need only 1 minute to identify this. Give you 1 more minute. Giving you 1 more minute to identify. Did somebody identify? Last row, second column, 4. A dog, row 3, cat in 10. 1, 2, 3. Yes, there is a dog here. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah, there's a cat here. Exactly, very good. We will move on to the next. You have to find 8 differences between the two pictures. This again I have taken from a children magazine. Yeah, I'll again go back to this to find 8 differences. Gets you focused into the details. You are not just seeing the picture, you are seeing for the details in the picture. So this going in detail into the picture will help you to focus more and concentrate on the right thing in the picture. We'll come back to your chat. Glasses, cloud, yes, exact, correct. Cloud, bush, yes, bush. If you see this bush, there is one tree extra here. There are only 2 here. In this hairstyle, you see this stick, this Tata stick. Let us see what others have told. Glass of the lady, yes, very good. This lady has a glass, this the lady doesn't have the glass. Dog has a additional design here which it doesn't have here. Chapel of this old man. Grandpa slipper, yes, exactly. Child hair, steak, very good. Cloud, excellent. So you have found out. You are checking, you are comparing every line in the picture. Now let us see the next. Let me see what you have answered. butterfly, flower, towel, dog's neck band, extra butterfly, roses, dog cloth, leaf. Very good. Others to see. The cloud is missing here, the cloud is here. Butterfly, additional butterfly which is here, which is not here. There is additional rose here, which is not here. So you could find the details in the picture. You have to find 10 differences in this picture. This is one and this is another one. You have to find 10 differences. This I will give you maybe 3 minutes. I will give you 3 minutes. You have to find 10 differences. You're all checking. You're all seeing the difference. You're all looking at the difference, looking for the difference. Earlier pictures were very easy, quite easy to guess, but this is not. So 50 seconds left. Twenty seconds. Let me see how many of you found this out. Wow, very good. Route 1070, correct. Pattern in the car. 3. Pattern in another car. Correct. Another car. 4. Very good. Handle of the car. Very good. Good. 30. Rock. 10. 10 to 30. Very good. So all of you like this task? How many of you like this task? How many of you liked it? Thumbs up. Quick, quick. I want from everybody. Thumbs up from everybody. Good, very good. So all of you like it. We will do one more exercise. This is definitely going to this focus. Getting the focus into the details will help you in your career the most. You have to find 10 differences. I'll give you 3 minutes again. First, you are all checking the picture, checking the difference in the picture, and you have identified most of them. You are able to concentrate, you are able to focus. And a half minutes more. There half a minute. Something is identifying the difference, and the second one is you are able to express in words what is the difference between the two pictures. That's also important. See, knowing is one thing. No, others should know that you know. If you cannot express what you know, then we cannot excel in our career. You should be able to tell what you think, what you understand, what you know to others. Only then you can excel in your career. So let me see how many of you have answered again. I think there is a problem in refreshing. Keep answering. So there is a design here which is absent here, right? So there is a design here and which is absent here. This is filled here. This is not filled, and this is filled, and this is not filled here. Let me know what other things. See, there is a design here which is missing. How many did we identify? In this paw, if you see the design in the paw, there is a difference. Not seeing your, no, I'm unable to see. Karthik, after some point, the chat is not getting refreshed. So these are the differences which these two pictures have in this problem. Next, sorry, so I'll give you 3 more minutes to find out the right shadow. Which is the right shadow here? You have to start eliminating the picture. You will first see one picture, try to find out the difference between these two. If there is a difference, you will eliminate. See, I see something here which is not of this boy, so I am eliminating this. You have to slowly eliminate the pictures. The second one, see this one, compare these two, then you eliminate that picture. Because of presence or absence of something, you will eliminate. As we eliminated because of this hairstyle, this is different, so this cannot be his shadow. Similarly, you have to take this, reason it. When you are reasoning it, you will eliminate that shadow. Let us call this picture 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You have to tell me which picture is the shadow of this. We will be eliminating one by one. You have compared all 6 with the original picture. You will eliminate which is if there is a difference between the picture and the shadow. You're all giving the answers. Very good. So I will tell you now. I took this and because of this hairstyle, I eliminated this. This cannot be this shadow. Now I am taking this. I am trying to find out the hairstyle is this, and the cheeks are good. The legs are the same. This is the same. This cycle wheel is the same, but I don't find this light here. So I'm eliminating this. Again, I'm coming to the third one. The hairstyle is the same. The shoes, everything is the same. Wheel, this wheel is the same. There is a light here. The hands are like this, but there is no distance between this and the wheel. So I am eliminating this because this is different from this side. Now I am coming here. Again, I don't see this headlight. I am eliminating this. I am checking all this. Yes, the wheels are the same. The shoes are the same. Hairstyle is the same. The hand is the same. There is a headlight. This somewhat matches with this. Okay, let me see the other one also. And I have to eliminate this because see the legs look different here, and the front side, whatever is what is it? The top of this, I don't know the name of this. That is also not there. So I am fixing the fifth one as the shadow of this. Right? Yes. Many of you have answered. Yes, correct. Now let me go to the next one. You all enjoying this session now? This is nothing difficult. Whatever we are doing is not difficult, but it will help you a lot in your career. Let us now do one more. Okay. Again, 3 minutes. You will find 8 differences. Seeing the details. Be able to find 8, all 8. Can you send a thumbs up? Victory. You now send victory instead of thumbs up. Send a V. Victory. You are listening? Yes, exactly. Very good. Next time you will send victory, not thumbs up. I'm not saying from everybody, no. All of you are answering. Excellent. So, how many of you enjoyed this session? How do you find this session? You can write on your chat. You're happy. Send again thumbs up and victory. The recordings will be available on learn.openmentor.net. Very good. So you're all happy in the sessions that is going to be delivered in the future. Maybe this week, next week, all this. You will also have mathematical problem solving sessions, which are also part of the aptitude analytical reasoning test. Basics of physics, basics of chemistry, basics of mathematics, all these are very important to attend your reasoning sessions. So all those will also be part of